Hi everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. So today's going to be a little bit unconventional in the sense that I won't really be talking about the makeup at all or how I'm doing or what I'm doing. I will leave all of the makeup down below in the description. The only thing I want to say is I decided to try one of those trendy makeup looks that the magazines are currently talking about, and I thought the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pigment Liner would be the perfect opportunity. So I kind of thought, and this is a new style of editing again, because if I could do a chit chat, get ready with me, I can multitask really because in the video I'm doing my makeup super fast because I was getting ready for my son's kind of birthday thing, and I wanted to also kind of talk to you guys and just kind of tell you how I'm doing, how things are going in my little world, and also, I've tried to edit it out, but my daughter was in the room with me and I was always checking on her. So number one, I have to say that for anyone who's watching who also has kids, it is extremely hard to work from home. So I think I did it when I was working with my Sobeys company before. I had an opportunity to work from home at one point, and watching my son wasn't as bad. This is before my daughter came, of course. It just, because he was 6 at the time, so it was a little bit easier. He's a little bit more, independent. But watching a 10-month-old is extremely hard. And, a lot of people, a lot of my friends had kids when they were in their 20s or early 30s. And I'm almost 40 years old, guys. And I'm thinking of having another one. Like, what's wrong with me? So, any other people out there who sympathize with being older and having kids and having the energy and just to do stuff? I mean, having a business with all the things that I currently do is already a lot. Not that I'm complaining because it was completely my choice for all of the things I'm currently talking about, but it's actually really difficult. So, another thing I just want to bring up is I have a website. I have mentioned this before previous videos, but I'm going to put it on the screen here for you. And I just wanted to let you know that I have a blog post up there. I post every Monday, 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And the last blog post I did was a little controversial. It was about the pandemic, and a lot of people have read it so far. So, if you're interested in that, go check it out. And I do also have a portfolio, so I constantly update my portfolio with different pictures, different categories. And if you're interested in seeing a whole bunch of really awesome pictures, go check that out as well. And another thing I want to discuss, because this is a makeup video, so I'm currently waiting for the Sephora Rouge haul, and I can never remember when they actually start. And I think it's April or March, April, May. I can't remember, but I'm kind of deciding what products I want. And a lot of people decide to use the 20% off, or, whatever you get, the Insider or Rouge or VIB discount to get products that they wouldn't ordinarily buy, but some also use them to stock up on supplies they need. So one of those things is actually the makeup remover I use, and I actually don't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but it is so good. It's an oil-based makeup remover, and if you do have oily skin, you probably want to stick away from that kind of stuff. But because I have drier skin, mine leans more dry towards normal. I love it so much. And it's just, I think it's the Clinique brand actually. And it's so good. But there's other products I want to try. I mean, there are some Natasha Denona eyeshadows I would love to own, but I think one palette is like $170 or 270 bucks. And I think one of them is the Lila palette. It's just so pretty. But yeah, I don't know what other products I'm kind of thinking about. And I actually interested in trying the Selena Gomez line as well, the Rare Beauty. And if any of you guys have tried that, let me know down in the comments. How do you find the products? But I've seen a lot of good reviews, so I'm interested to check that out. Another thing that I want to kind of mention is I know that this has been an unruly, really difficult winter to get through, especially the last 2 months. I am so glad it's March right now. And think the day I was filming this was February 28th. And this video is actually going up tomorrow, which is March 4th. So I was just trying to get through January and February. They were the most difficult months. I had a couple of, crappy things happen and pretty depressing already, and it's just cold. I think we had a whole week or 10 days of a cold snap. It was probably like minus 48 with the wind chill. If you guys can believe, it was almost minus 50. It was bitterly cold and nobody was going outside. So to keep all the kids inside, and with the COVID regulations, you can't go swimming, you can't go to the movie theater. It has just been so difficult. And I know the kids are feeling the strain, and myself as an adult, I'm feeling the strain. And things need to start picking up and getting better soon, because I don't know what we're going to do. Unfortunately, we are one of the lucky ones who have a really nice backyard. Well, when I say nice, it doesn't look very nice right now out in the cold, but in summer I decorate it with flowers and the grass is green, and it's pretty nice in summer. And I am looking forward to that so much. So I guess, another main topic is makeup. So I know that this channel, I have currently 9 subscribers. So again, thank you all for joining my channel and, supporting me. And I hope to grow this channel as well. It just seems a lot of people aren't into makeup right now, which at first I was like, I understand that people don't really care about makeup because we have to wear masks, we can't go anywhere. However, I was reading an article in one of my Cosmo magazines, and here they were trying to come up with like these makeup trends, which is one of the things, like one of my goals this month coming up, that I want to kind of like play around with makeup. But one of the trends was this crazy eyeliner look. And then there was another one which had colored eyebrows, which I thought was kind of interesting. And again, for those of those of you who have kids, there's this show on Treehouse, and it's called Miss Persona, and she has like a purple wig, and then she also has, sorry, that's my dog's nails clicking in the background, sorry about that, but she also has purple eyebrows. And I kind of thought that would be a neat and interesting version of makeup, because I see sometimes a lot of people doing the colored eyebrow thing. So apparently that's a thing. And then also doing sparkles on over the bridge of the nose. That's a thing. So there's some kind of interesting, weird trends I want to try out. And I don't really do crazy makeup. I am subscribed to a few people on Instagram who have some really awesome, stage makeup stuff going on. But I usually just do the regular old thing, and I'd like to start doing some more crazy stuff. But anyway, this article was saying that makeup, people were saying before that makeup was canceled because of COVID. And I think now is probably the most important time to get into our artistic side and start doing fun things, because if there are some areas of the world that are still in lockdown, it makes sense. Now is our time to practice stuff that we normally wouldn't do. It doesn't matter if you have a YouTube channel or what, but if you have the funds, go out and do that extra thing that you want to do. Read those extra books that you never get time to read. Do crazy makeup like I'm doing. I feel like I'm preaching to the choir a little bit, because part of my blog about the pandemic was how people are turning this time into a positive time, which it isn't, but we still need to always self-improve ourselves. So that is it for my little chit chat here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you did. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, I would love to have you. Please join my little family. I know it's small, but hopefully it will grow bigger. And again, click that bell notification button to always be notified of when I am posting a new video. Again, I want you guys to stay safe, wash your hands, and take care of yourselves. Bye now.